Wow, the Dow really traded 39,877 precisely and rebounded from there. We were spot on the Dow. Now, how many of you have made money from the market? Let me know in the comment box. And the question is this, what's next for it? Let me go into detail right now. Disclaimer apply as usual. Let's go. Now remember, just about 9 days ago, we were talking about the Dow Jones either going to 42,235 or 39,877. And we mentioned it's because that based on our technical aspect, we believe that this two level will be traded and we are more to the bearish side. And truth be told, we even show you in the video, we explain why the Dow could be going down to this figure. You remember that? And this was a figure that we mentioned. And because of that, you can see right now, the Dow really traveled down. The Dow really came down. I'm going to annotate this for you. The Dow came down all the way to the technical level that we mentioned. It's mentioned in the chart in the video. And it stopped there brilliantly. And that was where we tell our students that there could be a high chance the market could rebound on Friday. And wow, look at the Dow. The Dow recovers strongly back to the technical level that we shorted back then. So the question will be, what to expect from here? I'll have you loads of information. Let's go. All right, first of all, very important, people really make money from our calling, and we are happy that this particular friend of ours has made so much money from the market. Congratulations to you. Okay, so let's look at the AAII bull indicator. Now remember, whenever the AI members are actually bearish, that is where the market usually turn bullish, and vice versa, when the guys are bullish, that's where things happen. So now the thing is this, you can see right now, we can see that that was where April, that was where the guys turned bearish, the market came down, and of course, same time now, they are now at the top, then that's where the market sold. So now the thing is this, what do you expect for this? Now, technically, there is a few things to take note in the bull market. Now, the market has been like in 1993 all the way to 1999. There were a few technical pullback. This from Games of Trade. They are very good with this. I really enjoyed the videos, so you can watch them on your own. My primary idea is that there were several 10% pullback along the way. And after 10% pullback, usually the market rebound. And I kind of suspect that this could actually happen because back in 2011, it also happened several times and the market really rebound. Of course, there was some incident where the market slowed down, but that was during the pandemic period. So with this understanding here, let's look into the potential pullback. Now, if the S&P market really pull back by 10%, the market may drop below 6,000 for the spot market. But of course, if you look at the S&P and the CFD, they're a bit different. The recent high was 56.77. A 10% pull will be 51.09, or 10% pull. So I believe that the market now at the moment, high is 56.77 for the CFD price. I believe that the market will pull back down all the way to probably around 53.93. First, that will be the first technical level. Only when the market breaks 53.93, then we will see the market coming down to 51.09. So this 53.93 is a very important technical level. Please take note, right? For traders who are trading a CFD price level, this is a very important level. Now, of course, the NASDAQ proved differently because NASDAQ, basically the 100% mark on a CFD was at 20,794, and 5% pullback was somewhere here, and you can see that was where the market staged a strong rebound. The market tried to go down the next day and then it climbs up. That was good. But the bad news is that when the market gapped down due to Tesla earnings and stuff like that, there was selling and the market came down strongly. But the next support level was 18,715. So the market couldn't go there and they rebound here. But if you ask me, I think there's a very good chance the NASDAQ will touch this number. So traders stand by. For those on the short the market, you can aim at 18,715 to cover back your shorts. For those who buy and rebound from here, it is possible. And look out for the turning point right here. Okay, so important technical point for you. Now, of course, the Dow is so strong at the moment. The Dow highest point on CFD was 41,449. It came down for a few days. It touched the technical support that I mentioned, and now it's rebounding. So, of course, if the market wants to rebound, it can go all the way back to the all-time high, or if not, the next number it may go will be 39,300 177. Now, if you ask me what's the chance of this happening, I will say that it all solely depends if the market can break the low here, which is about 39,877, because there are a few technical level points to watch out for and some fundamental too. Okay, so first of all, let's look at S&P uptrend movement. All right, from the uptrend, you can see that since 2023, from here, we extrapolate the uptrend. We have a touch point here. We can see that the market is seemingly very strong. But of course, when the market broke the uptrend line, the upper band, it came down. But now it's staying at the 50% mark retracement. So if there's going to be any form of pullback going to be further, it will be down to somewhere around here, and that'll be a 5,200 series. Now, if that actually do happen, that will be a very strong buy, because that is where the market could be at an oversold, and that's where I believe that everyone is going to buy in anticipation of a strong US stock rally if whoever wins in the US election. Now, one more thing to take note of is the VIX on the S&P. Now, the S&P VIX shows clearly that every time it tries to recover, it get pullback, all right, get pullback. So unless we see something like this, where the market breaks the downward trend, if not, there will be further pullback. Now, the distant time, I put it here, is symmetrical, shows that we are now at a very important point. So likelihood, we may see a pullback on the VIX again before we may try and do this. So I kind of believe that will be in September period, right, whereby everybody is expecting the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates, and who knows, they may cut it, but the market may not like it by then, right? So I think that we may see something like this. So in the meantime, there seems to be more possibility of seeing the market recovering than actually going down. The OEX open interest ratio shows the same thing here. Whenever it's at the lower end, it seems that the market is going to buy into it. It has happened before since 2016 all the way. Hence, therefore, based on this, it seems that the market will prefer to buy than sell. And last but not least, very important tool is that our very own Crazii System. Now we can see that the boys has been buying all the way, even on the downward trend. So there is a possibility for the Dow to recover all the way back to the all-time high level. It is possible. So that's the reason why we have to watch the market very closely. If not, only when the market pulls back, it turns red color, and the KSI turns red, and the KSX turns blue, then there will be sell. But at the moment, there's no reason to sell. So watch out for this, guys. Tomorrow, the opening price is going to be very important. If the market stays above opening price, then the market will likely be continue going up. If the market stays below opening price, watch out for the MLP that will be available tomorrow and trade from then on. All right. So with that, guys, I hope you make money from Dow Jones. I'll give you more views in the upcoming days and weeks and months, and hope you prosper from the market. This is Kel signing off. Share your thoughts in the comment box. Bye-bye.